Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy Olofu and I'm a YouTuber and a content creator, and I'm from Nigeria. So I make videos on hair, vlog, just normal talk, and basically mix of everything. So I also make wigs. I sell wigs. If you don't know, now you know. Please follow me on my Instagram business handle at Touch of Mercy, and my personal page at its_Mercy Olofu. So if you want to know if you want to see how I bleached my hair from black to this color, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Today I've decided to dye or bleach my hair again. So I'm going to be bleaching my hair. As you can see, I'm on low cut. I have cut my hair. After the first time I did the video, I went ahead to cut it again, which is this. After like August, September, I can't remember. This is 4 months now. Cut my hair. I think it grows. It's slow to grow. I don't know why, but yeah, this part grows faster than the rest of the hair. So as you can see, I'm still bald. Shocking. So I'm just going to like mix the bleach, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye. You can see. Then I'm using this DY developer. The developer has done wonders. I think it is 12%. I don't know. 30%. I don't know. So I'm going to pour it until it forms a watery consistency. So I'm mixing it. But I hope this bleach will be enough for my whole head. Jesus, it smells. It's been long I used bleach or developer. Tabte. So let's start, and I hope this works. Again, as I said, okay, let me get the mirror. Got a mirror. I don't know how I'll be able to see the back of my head from my camera, but we move. So I will start from the last time I did it. I put more on the front than I was supposed to, which didn't work out well. So I'm going to use this. Now there is still bleach on the brush. I'm just going to. Guys, there's really no rule of applying this bleach, but the only thing I can tell you is please don't apply the bleach on the front of your hair before you apply on the rest of the hair, because the front, like my front hair is thin, and applying it in the front before I apply the rest of the hair would have made it to burn. Like hair was burning because the bleach and there's a lot of chemicals. So I made sure I put on the front after I had gotten like most parts of the back and the middle. So yeah, this bleach really burnt and it smells like hell. And my ear, as you can see, I mistakenly put it on my ear, so I had to use tissue because my ear was burning. It was really burning. So yeah. And as you can see, it's already changing color already, so I'm just trying to add where my ear was burning, guys. my god. Oh my god, you can see the hair is already lifting. I'm supposed to wear a shower cap, I think. Oh, I'm not wearing a shower cap, so I use a leather instead because it's almost close to using a shower cap. So if you don't have a shower cap, you can use any nylon leather you find around the house and make sure it's sealed in. So yeah, this is me. My head is on fire. I do it for like 10 minutes, then I wash it of course. Oh my god. Guys, my head is burning. I think I need to wash it up now. I'm going to use this anti-dandruff shampoo. So I'm washing the bleach off before applying the shampoo because that's what you're supposed to do. If you don't know, yes, you're supposed to apply you're supposed to wash the hair first. As you can see, the back is looking nice. I like it. It's looking nice. As usual, there must always be a spot that would not work. Then I added the shampoo, the conditioner, then washed it off. Okay, period. So as usual, there must always be a spot that does. What the fuck is going on here? To go off. There's always a spot that does not want to bleach, so I'm not going to snip, shimmy it a little bit. Use virgin hair fertilizer. I was looking to help me grow my front hair. Apparently, it did not. So I got like a hair cream. I'm just going to put it on the hair and let it dry. Yes. Color. And as you can see, the back is quite even. Because the first time I bleached my hair by myself, there were some black spots still on the hair, so I shaved my head off again. That was in August. Then I did apply the bleach a few days ago. So yeah, please, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, share to your friends, and if you try it out, please let me know. Okay, bye.